what I will say to everybody is use some respirator if you possibly can, because all woods can be toxic, and certainly some of you will find you won't have any sort of problems with most woods, but one particular wood would get you. I turn many different types of woods, and one that was mentioned there was the Purple Heart. Purple Heart instantly gives me a headache. I can't turn it, but no other wood affects me, but Purple Heart instantly gives me a migraine, gives me a headache.
Walnut makes me itch immediately. I have to wear my respirator when I turn walnut.
Well, that wood to me, and it's very difficult to identify it. What you're doing is you're looking at whatever your TV is presenting to you. But my guess would have been a Rocco. Don't know how much a Rocco you get over in the States. Don't know if it's called something different. But a Rocco is not a nice wood to turn, and that affects a lot of people. But it certainly has that kind of grain. So my guess would have been a Rocco for you.
No.
I don't even think I've ever heard of it.
No, sorry to interrupt. I just needed to get that in.
No, thank you. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Never an interruption from you, sir.
Thanks.